Students, Standard 10th, Subject Social Science, Chapter 2, Cultural Heritage of India, Traditional Handicrafts and Fine Arts. And today we are talking about fine arts, in that traditional and classical dances. So in today's video we'll discuss about 5 classical dances of India which are very famous throughout the world. So first number, Bharatnatyam. I mention here. Bharatnatyam. Now here we'll mention the main topic or main features of this dance. And students, please remember that each and every dance, all these 5 dances, you need to remember 3 things. First one, the dance, the area from where this dance is originated. Second thing is that the main characteristics of the dance, or you can say main features of the dance. And third number, the dancers who keep this dance alive. These 3 things you must have to be right in the question answer. So let's explore these all dances. First number, Bharatnatyam. So first one, the origin of Bharatnatyam is believed to be Tanjore. I mentioned the underline to the keywords. Tanjore, a district in Tamil Nadu. Okay. Now, so the Bharatnatyam is, it is believed that the origin of Bharatnatyam is in Tanjore district of Tamil Nadu. There are 2 books. First one, please remember these 2 names also. Natya Shastra by Bharat Muni. Natya Shastra by Bharat Muni. And Abhinav Darpan by Nandikeshwar. Please remember this, Natya Shastra, and second one is Abhinav Darpan. Natya Shastra is written by Bharat Muni and Abhinav Darpan by Nandikeshwar. Apart from this, the name of the dancers is also most important for that. So I write here the name of the dancers also. Gopi Krishna and Mrinalini Sarabhai are the main dancers, we can say. But apart from this, Vijayanti Mala and Hema Malini are considered to be the preserve of this heritage, or you can say they keep this dance alive. So this is the information of Bharatnatyam. First one, we need to remember that origin, Tanjore district of Tamil Nadu. 2 books, Natya Shastra by Bharat Muni and Abhinav Darpan by Nandikeshwar. Then dancers name, Gopi Krishna and Mrinalini Sarabhai. Apart from this, Vijayanti Mala and Hema Malini. These are the persons who keep this preserve this heritage or this dance. Now second one, or second dance, Kuchipudi. This style of dance, this style of dance was created in 15th century. It is mostly based on the description of woman's beauty now. Apart from this, from where it is originated, so Kuchipudi is famous in Andhra Pradesh. Now, name of the dancers. So Guru Prahlad Sharma, Raja Reddy, Shobha Naidu, etc. Shobha Naidu, etc. are the well-known dancers who have preserved this ancient tradition. So two dance we have completed. First one is Bharatanatyam, second one is Kuchipudi. And I also inform you that main thing is that you need to remember place from origin and then name of the dancers, or you can say persons who keep this dance alive. Now third number is Kathakali. Third dance is Kathakali. This style of dance is very famous in Kerala. So please remember the place Kerala. The word Kathakali has been derived from the dramas based on ancient epics, Ramayana and Mahabharata. And mixed dramas of Sanskrit and Malayalam. So student, this information is very important that this style of dance is very famous in Kerala. The word Kathakali has been derived from the drama. It means this dance is basically come from the ancient epic Ramayana and Mahabharata. If you see that the events of Ramayana and Mahabharata are performed in this dance. So other information of Kathakali that we'll discuss. The character perform his or her dance with the facial expressions and poses of hands to introduce the characters of Trilok. They come in front of the curtain with the light of earthen lamp only. Now, apart from this dancer's name, or you can say poet of Kerala, Sri Valthod Kalamandalam Krishna Prasad and Shiv Raman etc. have earned great fame in the nation and worldwide. Now, next dance, fourth number, Kathak dance. Now, Kathak dance, the line, it is too much important. This point is too much important for this dance. The line Kathak Kathan करे सो Kathak कहावे, it is important line, is related to Kathak dance. Now, the Kathak dance narrates the life events and incidents of Lord Krishna. So I mention here the Kathak dance narrates the life events and incidences of Lord Krishna. Now, other information, it is observed that it has developed with, we can say, Shrungar Bhakti, SHRUNGAR, Shrungar Bhakti. I make the underline, Shrungar Bhakti of Vaishnav community, It means it is mostly observed that it has developed by the Shrungar Bhakti and it is performed by the Vaishnav community. Now, most important, the name of the characters or the style of dance. This style of dance has been kept alive by पंडित श्री बिरजू महाराज, सितारा देवी, एंड कौमुदी लख्या। कौमुदिनी लख्या, etc. It means by these persons this style of dance is alive. Now the last one, fifth number dance, Manipuri dance. And please remember the students, this Kathak dance is mostly seen in North India. You just see that all the classical dances are from the you can say South India, but this dance is mostly seen, Kathak dance is mostly seen in North India also. Now the Manipuri dance. The people of Manipur, dance on every occasion and festivals. Now this dance style is chiefly based on Ras Leelas and Bal Leela of Sri Krishna. Manipuri dance is divided into two types, and they are Lasya and Tandav. And the last informations about their Guru Bipin Sinha, Naina Zaveri, Nirmal Mehta, etc. have gained worldwide fame. Now students, today we learn 5 dances. I hope that in this video you will be getting the pictures of these dances also, and you will be getting more, and you can see the videos on YouTube also about these dances, and other detailed informations you will be getting in worksheet. So please remember this. Thank you students.